I'm just telling people.
That we're gonna go up now?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go, my cowboy.
Better not to go there.
No, I already went up and it's fine for me. Yes.
It's very difficult.
I know, but I love these things, you know. Really?
Go, Miriam, let's go to this minaret. Let me show the minaret. Actually, it's really high. Come on, Miriam. He warned you. Miriam, what's wrong with you today? So yeah, guys, we're going up. Miriam, how are you?
I'm okay. It's high. Wow, it looks so nice.
It's a workshop.
Workshop of wood, I guess, right?
Yeah, right.
Wow.
With harvesting the wheat.
Można.
Możemy Xorazm?
Tak. So they sell this chess, handmade of course, and they sell it for 2 million sums, which is like $200. I mean, Khiva, every corner is beautiful. Like, this is just a normal street and we just found this amazing workshop. Even the streets are so nice. Here in Xorazm, these puppets are very typical. I really like them.
This is like this. You put your hands inside.
Oh!
Todos. Nombres, Islam Khoja.
Oh, nice! You're a professional, I see.
Come to my shop. Go inside. Go inside. Come on.
Nice. This is your workshop, right? It's full of them. This is the main door to, well, main gate to enter the wall. What's the name of the wall, Timur? It was Ichan Kala? No,
Ichan Kala.
Ichan Kala. So yeah, Khiva, actually the touristic part, the most interesting part, everything we showed you already, it's inside the wall. And the name is Ichan Kala, right? Ichan Kala, Salvador? Ichan Kala. This is literally on the wall. You see here? There is some stairs to go up. So here we are.
We're going to that point. Do you see it there?
Tall house, right?
Tall house, yeah.
To see the sunset.
Yeah.
And we are going how, Salvador? Sardor! Be careful. Sardor!
Miriam? Oh yeah. Me too.